Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll wait for more participants to join. थोड़ा देर देख लेते हैं 2-3 मिनट.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. You got the syllabus for half yearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the syllabus. So I have completed all the chapters. और कोई चैप्टर रिपीट करना हो तो बोल देना. Anything that you haven't understood, you want to be repeated again. कोई पोएम या चैप्टर उसको फिर से करवा देंगे. And your exam test pattern, you know the pattern of your test. 10 MCQ questions. Hello, can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know the pattern of your exam.
Yes, ma'am.
कितने questions? तो 10 MCQ questions आएंगे. ठीक है.
मैम 10 तो मैम 2 नंबर के मैम 1 से 2 सेंटेंस वाले आंसर आएंगे.
हाँ तो 10 MCQ questions, 1 into 10 is 10. फिर
तो मैम 2 से 5 नंबर के क्वेश्चन आएंगे.
10 short type. Short type means 1 or 2 sentences. 10 short type of 2 in 2 marks each. 10 short type questions. 10 short type questions, 2 marks each. So 2 into 10, 20. और फिर लॉन्ग टाइप 30 मार्क्स हो गया. 2 लॉन्ग टाइप questions as you had in your short test जो होता था तुम लोग का, उसमें जो आता था 5 into 2, 10. So is it clear? Your marking scheme, question pattern, 10 MCQ questions और 10 short type और 2 long type. 40 marks के होंगे questions. Is it clear to all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you hear me? Okay. टाइगर इन द जू एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे. जिज्ञासा ने बोला था तो सबके लिए एक बार रिवीजन भी हो जाएगा. टाइगर इन द जू रिपीट कर देंगे. और कोई पोएम है जिसको रिपीट करना है तो बोल देना. तो we were already in the last para, I think. So Ebright researched on the tiny spots on the monarch pupa's body, and from this research came out many new things that cells determine the DNA, cells control the DNA. एक नया चीज तो उन्होंने ये पता किया कि मोनार्क प्यूपा के बॉडी में जो 12 छोटे गोल्ड स्पॉट्स होते हैं वो सिर्फ खूबसूरती बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं होते हैं. That is for the purpose of secreting a hormone which helps in the growth of butterfly. So he found out this new thing, and when he started researching on this new thing, he got many new ideas that cells and the DNA are interconnected. Cells control the DNA. So another new thing that he found out was the cells control a DNA. One new thing was that the gold spots are not decorative, are not only decorative, but they secrete a growth hormone. Then about the monarchs and the viceroys, how the viceroys copy the monarch. वाइसरॉय बटरफ्लाई जो है वो मोनार्क को कॉपी करते हैं, क्योंकि मोनार्क जो है वो बर्ड्स मोनार्क को पसंद नहीं करते हैं, तो वाइसरॉय मोनार्क को कॉपी करते हैं ताकि बर्ड्स उनको नहीं खाए मोनार्क समझ के. तो दिस ऑल्सो एवराइट फाउंड आउट, एंड he also, and this DNA and cell discovery that he found out, it will be very useful. How it will be useful? His discovery was useful because it will prevent cancer. His discovery, why it is very useful? Was useful because, why was it useful? Jigyasa batao. Hello, can you hear me? Why his discovery about the cells controlling the DNA was useful? Anyone? Aman? Ankush? Ankush, तुम तो आंसर करते थे. Ankush, what happened? Ankush is there? Hello? Hello? What happened? Why you have stopped answering completely? Huh? Hello? Why this discovery was useful? Because Srishti, why this discovery was useful? Tell me. Because it, can you hear me, all of you? Hello? Hello? Hello?
पता करने में. हम क्वेश्चन एक बार फिर से रिपीट कीजिए.
Question है कि he discovered that cells control the DNA. Why was this discovery useful? Why was this discovery useful? बताए थे ना कल.
Ma'am, because it was a genetic material. That's why.
It might also lead to new ideas for preventing some types of cancer. If this theory proves correct, then it will help to prevent some types of cancer. That is why it's very useful. Then what are his other interests? Shikha, what are, Himanshu बताओ, उसके और interests क्या है? Besides being a scientist, what are his other interests? Himanshu.
Ma'am, he is also interested in photography.
Yes, very good. Photography, and what are his other interests? Debate. Yes, very good. Champion debater. कल बताए थे ना कि he is a very good public speaker, orator. What do you call a person who is a good speaker? अच्छे स्पीकर को क्या कहा जाता है? वक्ता. अच्छा वक्ता. वक्ता का इंग्लिश क्या है? ओरेटर. So, Mimamsa, what were his other interests besides being a scientist? Tell me. Mimamsa, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Mimamsa.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, what were his other yes.
Good canoeist.
Yes, he was a canoeist. ये भी हाँ, yes. And besides being a canoeist, और क्या क्या?
And all-round outdoor person.
He was okay. Sarika, you want to answer? Outdoor. He was an outdoor person. He was. He went for trips and travels. He was an outdoor person. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि उनको ट्रिप्स और ट्रेवल्स बहुत ज्यादा पसंद था और वो बोटिंग भी करते थे. कैनोइस्ट. कैनो इज अ काइंड ऑफ बोट and canoeist means a person who rows the boat. So he used to row the canoe. He was a very good canoeist. He was a very good speaker. He used to participate in debates and public speeches. He gave many public speeches. He was a very good debater. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ साइंस में उनका इंटरेस्ट था, और भी बहुत सारे फील्ड्स थे जिसमें उनका इंटरेस्ट था. और ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट हिज अचीवमेंट्स, he secured the second position among class of 1510. 1510 स्टूडेंट्स में हार्वर्ड में उनको सेकेंड पोजीशन मिला. तो he was really a genius and an intelligent scientist, but his field of interest was not only science. साइंस के अलावा भी उनके बहुत सारे इंटरेस्ट थे. वो डिबेट में पार्टिसिपेट करते थे, पब्लिक स्पीच देते थे, बहुत सारा अच्छे स्पीकर वो थे. उनको ट्रिप्स और ट्रैवल्स बहुत पसंद था. He was an outdoor person. He did not want to remain confined in the house. घर में वो बंद रहना पसंद नहीं करते थे. बहुत बाहर घूमने जाते थे, नया नया जगह. बोटिंग करते थे, कैनोइस्ट, डिबेटर वो थे, पब्लिक स्पीकर थे, और फोटोग्राफर. He was an expert photographer also. Character sketch में ये सब आ सकता है. And which kind of photographs he was interested in? Nature and scientific exhibits. Photography, he was a skilled photographer, but in photography his interest was limited. वो नेचर का फोटोग्राफी किया करते थे, और साइंटिफिक एग्जिबिट्स, साइंस के एग्जीबिशन में जो सामान दिखाया जाता था. So he was also an expert photographer. So you have to remember all these things about him. Good speaker, good debater, outdoor person, very good photographer, and he used to take photographs of nature and science exhibits, scientific exhibits. So you have to remember this. And also he tells us about his favorite teacher. Who was his favorite teacher? Tell me.
Social studies teacher.
Who was his favorite teacher? Sarika present hai? Sarika?
And social studies teacher.
Yes, very good. He is his social studies teacher. And what was the name of that teacher? Richard A. Wheeler. He is his favorite teacher because he gave him new ideas. Why he considered him his favorite teacher? One thing is that he always encouraged Ebright and gave him new ideas, and opened my mind to new ideas, made him creative. उसको एब्राइट को उन्होंने क्रिएटिव बनाया, उनको एनकरेज किया. तो and what was the reason why Mr. Wheeler liked Richard? Richard हमेशा हर चीज में एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत करते थे, give that extra effort. So it was not that he was interested only in science. साइंस के अलावा दूसरे चीजों में भी वो अपना समय निकाल के देते थे. 3 और 4 आवर्स. अगर कोई डिबेट होने वाला तो उसमें भी वो 3-4 घंटा रात में जग के अपना डिबेट रिसर्च करते थे. वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग. सो ही वाज वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन, and he had varied interests. Versatile. I told you yesterday he was a versatile person. Means many talents. He had many talents. He was a versatile person. Richard was competitive. So he was also competitive. He wanted to be excellent in everything. He wanted to be excellent. But not in a bad sense. He wanted to be excellent not for selfish purpose. Not in a bad sense. He was not selfish. Not for his own benefit. वो अच्छा चीज करना चाहते थे, सब चीज में एक्सेल करना चाहते थे. He wasn't interested in winning for winning's sake or winning to get a prize. So not for his own benefit. So he was competitive, but not competitive only for his own recognition, not only for his own recognition. He wanted to do something good for mankind. उनको जो है सिर्फ अपना नेम फेम के लिए वो एक्सेल नहीं करना चाहते थे, because he wanted to do the best job he could. What was the reason why he wanted to excel? जो भी काम करते हैं उसमें वो अपना सबसे बेस्ट देना चाहते थे, प्राइज के लिए नहीं, नेम फेम के लिए नहीं, बस अपना सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए. For the right reasons he wants to be best. So he wanted to be best for the right reasons. He wanted to do his work perfectly well, and that is one of the ingredients in the making of the scientist. So what are the things for a good scientist? पहला तो first rate mind होना चाहिए. Ingredients means things, qualities. यहाँ क्या एक scientist में क्या अच्छे qualities होना चाहिए? And what are the qualities? First of all, he should have an intelligent mind, first rate mind. Intelligent mind. What are the qualities of a scientist? He should have an intelligent mind, first rate mind. He should have curiosity. साइंटिस्ट को जो है नया नया चीज खोजने का क्यूरियोसिटी होना चाहिए. अगर क्यूरियोसिटी नहीं होगा नया चीज खोजने का तो वो नहीं कर सकते हैं वो. तो जिज्ञासा होना चाहिए, इंटेलिजेंस होना चाहिए, एंड मिक्स इन द विल टू विन. हाँ, देन what was the desire? यहाँ will मतलब क्या हुआ? Desire. And the desire to win for the right reasons. Ebright has these qualities. So Ebright has all the qualities of a good scientist: intelligent mind, curious mind, and he wants to win for the right reasons. Ebright has these qualities. From the time the book, The Travels of Monarch, opened the world of science to him, and which was the book which changed his life, which developed his interest in science? Which book?
The Travels of Monarch X.
Travels
Yes, very
of
good.
Monarch.
This was the book that developed his interest. His mother gifted him the book about butterflies, and he became interested. He became interested. He became interested in. He became interested in. He became interested in. He became interested in finding out new things about butterflies, developed his interest in science. Ebright has never lost his scientific curiosity. और जब से developed his interest in science, The Travels of Monarch X opened the world of science to him. Richard Ebright has never lost his interest in science. So that brings us to the end of the chapter. Is it clear? All
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the word meanings: leagues, county, region, starling. Starling जो है वो bird होता है, singing bird. It's a good mimic. Entomology कल बताए थे, study of insects. Eureka, a cry of triumph at the discovery of something. Originally attributed to Archimedes. Archimedes ने जब अपना पहला चीज डिस्कवर किया था तो वो चिल्लाए थे यूरेका. So whenever someone is successful, triumph means success. Triumph means success or victory. जब भी साइंटिस्ट कोई नया चीज खोजते हैं तो वो यूरेका चिल्लाते हैं। वो आर्किमिडीज ने स्टार्ट किया था और साइंटिस्ट्स कंटिन्यू दिस ट्रेडिशन। whenever they discover something very great, they shout Eureka. Then canoeist is a person who paddles a canoe, a light boat. Canoe. Okay. Then question answers. Question answers. How can one become a scientist, an economist, a historian? Does it simply involve reading many books on the subject? Can anyone just by reading books become a scientist, economy, or historian?
No, ma'am.
It involves
Interesting.
it involves observing, thinking, doing experiments. So it involves lot of hard work, interest, curiosity, passion. कोई भी फील्ड में सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए पैशन होना चाहिए, क्यूरियोसिटी होना चाहिए, हार्ड वर्किंग होना चाहिए. So you must have read about cells and DNA in your science books. Discuss Richard Everett's work in the light of what you have studied. You have to link it. तुमने जो डीएनए के बारे में पढ़ा, रिचर्ड एवराइट ने जो खोजा, विच ये पर्सनल क्वेश्चन है. अगर तुमको चांस मिला, if you get an opportunity to work like Richard Everett, which field would you like to work on and why? This is personal. What is DNA fingerprinting? What are its uses? Who can tell me? What is DNA fingerprinting? Okay, I'll give you some extra questions. You can write those questions. ये सब question है क्या? How did the book become a turning point in Richard Everett's life? You note down these extra questions in your copy. My screen is visible to all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How did which book became a turning point in Everett's life and how? From September 20, maybe you can go to school for clearing your doubts. General school खुलने का तो कुछ नहीं है, but in the news it was informed that students can go to school to clear their doubts. Have you heard the news? देखा है तुमने news?
Yes, ma'am.
कि डाउट क्लियरेंस के लिए क्लास 9 से 12 के स्टूडेंट्स जा सकते हैं.
स्कूल मैम.
तो इतना दूर है, कौन आएगा?
हाँ, वही बात है. डाउट्स तो ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी क्लियर हो जाता है.
एग्जाम में ऑनलाइन नहीं होगा ना?
हाँ, एग्जाम तो ऑनलाइन ही होगा.
अभी स्कूल खुलने का कोई चांस?
इंग्लिश का कब होगा? इंग्लिश का कब होगा मैम एग्जाम?
अभी तो तुम लोग को 7 सितंबर तक तो मिल जाएगा। ये आज 2 तारीख है, 2-3 दिन और वेट करो, शेड्यूल मिल जाएगा। मुझे भी नहीं पता है, मेरे पास भी शेड्यूल नहीं आया। बस क्वेश्चन पैटर्न था तो वो तो बता दिए। 40 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस
Yes, ma'am.
रहेंगे और 40 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन में 10 एमसीक्यू और 10 शॉर्ट टाइप। 10 एमसीक्यू एक मार्क्स का 10 मार्क्स, फिर 10 शॉर्ट टाइप 1-2 सेंटेंस में आंसर देने हैं तो उसमें है 20 मार्क्स और 5 नंबर का 2 बड़ा क्वेश्चन आएगा, जो जैसे तुम लोग देते थे अपना टेस्ट में 40 मार्क्स का वैसे ही। तो बहुत ज्यादा।
अभी स्कूल खुलने का कोई चांस है?
देखो 1-2 महीना में अक्टूबर के बाद हो सकता है बड़े बच्चों का खोल दे। मे बी 2 sections or 2 or 3 sections are called alternatively with 50% staff. Maybe it's a possibility in the second term that alternate sections of the classes will be called and 50% teachers will be called and classes may be held. That is for the senior students. For the juniors, there is no chance for this session at least. For the seniors, there is 50% chance. देखो क्या होता है अभी तो. So, okay, second question is, how did Richard's mother encourage and guide him? रिचर्ड की माँ उसके लिए बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स खरीद के देती थी उसको ट्रिप्स पे. हाउ डिड रिचर्ड्स मदर एनकरेज एंड गाइड हिम? ओके, दिस इज सेकंड क्वेश्चन. देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन, What lesson does Ebright learn when he does not win in the science fair? पहली बार जब एब्राइट ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था साइंस फेयर में तो फ्रॉग का स्लाइड्स दिखाया था जिसमें उनको कोई प्राइज नहीं मिला, लेकिन उससे उन्होंने कुछ सीखा. What lesson did he learn when he lost the science fair? When he lost in the science fair?
That he had to do real experiments.
Yes, very good, Jigyasa. Did he learn when he lost in the science fair? So, this is our third question. Then, which teacher does Ebright consider as his ideal and why? Which teacher does? You can note down these questions, keep a notebook, and always when you sit for the class, it is better you keep a notebook. Which teacher does Ebright admire and why? Okay. Final and last question. Write a pen picture of Ebright. You know the meaning of pen picture? What is the meaning of pen picture? Sketch draw karna.
No, ma'am.
So,
Biography उनका
character sketch.
sketch.
पेन पिक्चर मीन्स कैरेक्टर स्केच, मतलब अपने पेन से लिख के और किसी का पिक्चर ड्रॉ. कैरेक्टर स्केच ऑफ एब्राइट. ओके, दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस. यू कैन डू इट एज होमवर्क. 9 मिनट रह गया, क्या करा दे बोलो. तो हो गया.
मैम क्लास एंड कर दीजिए.
एंड कर दे.
मैम
ठीक है, ओके. अब नया कुछ शुरू करने का मन भी नहीं कर रहा तुम लोग. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Before ending, I want to tell you about the quiz. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
ये
Yes, ma'am.
कल जो है एक क्विज ले लेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
ये मेकिंग ऑफ अ साइंटिस्ट और ग्रामर. This will be your portion. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Link I will send it to you. You will get 60 seconds to answer the one question, and we can do it at the scheduled time at 11 o'clock. पहली बार scheduled time में करा देते हैं. किसी को डाउट है या कैसे ज्वाइन करना है वो सब बताते रहेंगे. और फिर okay, so tomorrow be ready for a quiz. Portion is making of a scientist and a grammar. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.